Hello everyone. Today we are going to do an amazing, interactive and engaging activity for the learners. You can design this activity easily and you can share in your online sessions as well. So let's start with it. First we will write wordwall.net in the search bar. This website will be opened and that will be on your screen. You can log in with Google. You can see I have made here 3 activities, but we are going towards how to create activity. You can see here are so many options just like to make. Here are some premium options as well. Anyway, here are some free options just like to make the matchup, anagram, matching pairs, random cards and others. So I am going for open the box activity. I have put here the title, the lines on a globe, and let's see that I want to make the activity with questions. So here I am writing the question, what is equator, and now I will give some of the options. As you can see friends that I am writing the options here, I am typing the options here, and in the same way how many questions you want to put you can add here according to your content. So here I have put 3 questions with options. After completion of typing the questions, you have to click on the done button. As you have done the activity, your activity will be ready to share. Here are some more options what you can select by your own choice. Then it will show you an option to share with other teachers or publish with the public, or to share your activity with your students. So as open box activity is not available for the students assignment, so you can change the template also for the activity as I am going for the quiz. So now you can see that this activity will be available as a quiz. Okay, so here I have put some more options and then I am going to copy the link. You can send this link to your students through your Google Classroom, WhatsApp, or even during the Zoom session. So now you can see how this activity will be. You can see friends how colorful it looks. When the student will click on the right option or any of the option, it will give the answer at the same time according to the answer key you already have set. And then after that student can view the leaderboard as well and all the ranks of the quiz the student can see. Teacher can view the results by clicking on the my results option. It will show all the progress of all the students who have done the quiz. It will show the graphs also, the ranks also, and the scores in detail. By clicking on the community button, you can search the ready-made activities for your students about your topic. As I am going to search for global warming, and you can see here are multiple activities. So I am gonna click on the spin wheel. So let's see how it will be. I am going to play this, so spin it, and in this way the question will appear on the screen of the students. It will be also amazing for the Zoom session if you have multiple questions and you want to select randomly for different students. So one more amazing thing about it that you can change the template of all these questions, and you can represent this same activity in the other way. Now I'm going to change the template of the same activity, and I'm going to convert it into an anagram. So you can see here that it's very interesting that I have to do with the letters, I have to do with the alphabets, and so it will be amazing for the students as well. I must say that your students will also enjoy doing word wall. If you like this video, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.